Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a very important video to share and at least to talk about to everybody you know that is on Facebook. There's a lot of people on Facebook, and a lot of people that watch this video are on Facebook. So there's a new scam that's really getting there, and it is invading Facebook right now. It's once again a scam that goes through the Facebook Messenger app, and a lot of people are falling for it, and there's a reason why. I actually have had 3 people that are in my personal Facebook that actually were bitten by this, and I've received this in my Messenger. So the scam starts with this. You get a YouTube, apparently what is a YouTube video. It says, "It's you," or "Is it you?" and click watch video here to see it. This is a big scam. There's no such thing as somebody trying to say, "Oh, is this you?" or something. If you're receiving this from a friend, first of all, you got to tell your friend that he's been hacked and that he probably clicked on this. He needs to change his password. You get this, you ignore it, you erase it from your Messenger. If you clicked on it, do not follow the steps. The steps that follow after is that they're actually asking you to log in to what looks like a Facebook page, but this is a fake page. This is going to steal your Facebook account. Do not fall for this at all. Erase the message. If you've gone to this and you actually answered this email or phone and password, immediately before you lose your account, change the password, because every contact that you have will receive that same link, thinking that you're trying to, of course, tell them something. This is simple. They're trying to lure you into clicking here, stealing your information, because they know that it's going to probably intrigue you. You want to know if that's you in that video or not, and there is no video actually. So do not fall for this. Tell everybody about this scam. Tell everybody that no one should do anything with this except erase the message, and do tell the person that you got this from they are infected, they are actually hacked, they need to change their password. It's extremely important. So very important information. This is really taking Facebook by storm right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.